Best Sport Cruiser Motorcycle 300CL-X Review, Light, Nimble, and Cruiser Ready? 300CL-X, Best Sport Cruiser Motorcycle, Lightweight Cruiser, V-Twin Engine, Performance Cruiser, Urban Cruiser, Agile Handling, YouTube Motorcycle Reviews. The 300CL-X is quickly emerging as a standout option in the Best Sport Cruiser Motorcycle segment, offering a combination of lightweight cruiser agility, modern styling, and approachable performance. Designed for riders who want a nimble, fun, and versatile bike, the 300CL-X delivers performance cruiser dynamics in a compact package. Its growing presence in YouTube motorcycle reviews highlights its appeal for beginners and experienced riders alike, emphasizing its versatility as an urban cruiser that is as comfortable in city traffic as it is on open roads. Engine and performance. The 300CL-X features a compact yet torquey V-twin engine, producing around 35 horsepower and 30 lb-ft of torque. While modest in size, the engine provides smooth power delivery and responsive throttle performance, making it ideal for both new riders and those seeking a lightweight cruiser with engaging dynamics. Reviewers frequently highlight its balance of power and control, noting that the bike handles confidently in tight urban environments while still offering enough performance for spirited rides. The 300CL-X exemplifies how a small displacement bike can deliver true performance cruiser enjoyment without overwhelming the rider. Design and styling. With its modern lines and minimalist approach, the 300CL-X embodies a clean and functional urban cruiser aesthetic. Its low-slung seat, mid-set foot pegs, and wide handlebars provide a comfortable and natural riding posture, while its sleek fuel tank and exposed frame maintain a sporty, aggressive stance. Reviewers often praise the bike's design as a blend of contemporary styling and practical ergonomics, making it a visually appealing lightweight cruiser suitable for both city streets and weekend adventures. Comfort and handling. The 300CL-X's agile handling is one of its strongest attributes. Its lightweight frame and responsive suspension allow for confident cornering and precise maneuverability, making it especially suitable for urban commuting. The low seat height and upright riding posture further enhance rider confidence, creating a comfortable and approachable performance cruiser experience. Riders can enjoy longer rides without fatigue, while its nimble dynamics make it enjoyable for quick bursts of speed and tight traffic navigation. Achievements on YouTube. The 300CL-X has gained attention in YouTube motorcycle reviews, with first-ride impressions, urban commute videos, and comparison tests highlighting its unique combination of agility, comfort, and performance. Reviewers consistently note the V-twin engine, lightweight design, and versatile handling as key selling points. Customization and modification videos have also emerged, demonstrating how riders can enhance the bike's sporty appeal while retaining its urban cruiser practicality. These reviews have helped solidify the 300CL-X's reputation as a modern, approachable, and fun performance cruiser. Conclusion. The 300CL-X proves that a lightweight cruiser can deliver both agility and comfort without compromising style or performance. With its responsive V-twin engine, nimble chassis, and balanced performance cruiser dynamics, it stands out as a versatile and exciting option in the best sport cruiser motorcycle category. Supported by growing recognition in YouTube motorcycle reviews, the 300CL-X offers riders a unique blend of sporty handling, city-friendly ergonomics, and everyday practicality, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a compact yet capable cruiser.